Finally, the day got over. I'm done with my job. Happy Puja, guys. Today was the last day of our office before Puja vacation starts. So yes, I'm speaking low because it's in office. So yes, I'm really excited. Happy Durga Puja to everyone out there. And it's raining pathetically in Kolkata right now. I don't know, it will really spoil our pujas badly this time. So yes, but yes, we are monks after all. How can we miss Durga Puja happiness? We believe in creating happiness, so technically we just enjoy ourselves wherever we are, whatever situation we are in. So yes, so apparently we are very happy-go-lucky in nature. Hello everyone, good morning and Shubho Panchami. So yes, today is Panchami and I'm going to my sister's place, and yes, from there we'll go to Sri Bhumi and FD Block and all those pujas. So yes, and I'm wearing this dress. This is the dress. Okay, let me show you this way. I don't know, you cannot get a clear picture right now, and yes, nobody is there to hold the camera as usual. Yes, I'm vlogging alone, so yes, nobody is helping me. So yeah, that's it. Catch you up later. Now I'm at my sister's place, and yes, we all are ready. Yes, here comes my sissy. Hi. Back to bhetor. We are going out now. You want to say anything?
Say happy Puja to everybody.
Say happy Puja. Say happy Panchami. বলো শুভ পঞ্চমী। বলো শুভ পঞ্চমী। বলো কি বলছো তুমি? চলো, let's go. Shubho Shaptami to all of you. And yes, it's 3 o'clock in the morning and you can see me all decked up. It's just because I'm going to my in-laws place in Assam. So yes, this year Durga Puja I'll be celebrating in Assam with my in-laws. So yes, let's see, I'm super excited. So we are at airport right now and we'll be having tea. We have ordered for some tea.
No, we haven't.
It's really, really cold out here.
It's cold out. The barf put in it.
Yeah, it's chilled. AC is chilled. So yes, here is my hubby darling. Say hello to my viewers. So yes. So today is Shatami and yes, I'm ready to go out. Yes, we all are going out. So this is my outfit. As you can see, my hubby gifted me this grey color. It's simple kurti, but I like it. So this is the new shade which I got for this puja. Yes, I didn't have any tangy orange kind of a shade in my lipstick collection, so I added this to it. It's Nykaa Metalicious Lip Crayon. So yes, we are ready to go out and see different pandals. We will be puja hoppings, we will dine out. To everyone out there, and yes, I'm all decked up today in this orange sari. This is my attire for today. So we are all going out for lunch. Actually, there is an invitation, so yes, we are going out over there, and there is one more invitation today, so it would be a jam-packed day, you can say. And yesterday I couldn't vlog. Yesterday was Ashtami and it was a very hectic day for us, since we went for Pushpanjali and all in Ramakrishna Mission, and there was a huge crowd over there. And yes, so it was a really very tiresome day, so I couldn't vlog yesterday. But yes, today I have made some time and thought to shoot. So yes, and to show you my attire. Yes,